every day there is something new happening on this road. How you leave it yesterday is not how it's gonna be tomorrow. You understand? And it's not how it is today. Yeah, there's work going on every day. So we're about to chase the sunset into Kingston. Let's see if we'll get there before sunset, or I don't know. Let's see what happens. Alright. What's up, beautiful people? It's yours truly, 876 by birth, and welcome to another Driving Through Jamaica. Hey guys, so today's journey will actually take us from Morant Bay. We're currently at the Morant Bay roundabout, and we're gonna make our way into Kingston. Alright, now guys, there's work going on this stretch of road, this St. Thomas road. As you know, there's work going on, and every single day, guys, every day there is something new happening on this road. How you leave it yesterday is not how it's gonna be tomorrow. You understand? And it's not how it is today. Yeah, there's work going on every day. So we're about to chase the sunset into Kingston. Let's see if we'll get there before sunset, or I don't know. Let's see what happens. Alright, my people. So as I said, we've just left the Morant Bay roundabout, and we're making our way into Kingston, people. We're making our way into Kingston. The weather is beautiful. It's in the evening right now. Let me check and see. Hey Siri, what time is it?
It's 5:28 p.m.
So it's 5:28 p.m. guys. Alright? So it's an evening drive. In all honesty, I don't expect nightfall to catch us on this trip. I really expect to be in Kingston, you know, with daylight still out. Yeah, hopefully there's not much delays on this stretch happening right now. So we're just making our way. Alright, people, and thanks for being a part of the journey. You understand? Yeah, I really appreciate you guys. Here's what I want you to do for me, guys. Click that like button right now. Please click the like button right now, people. Y'all know how YouTube works. I say this in a lot of my videos. Y'all understand YouTube by now. Y'all know what to do. Alright? If you want to continue to hear my annoying voice, and you want my annoying voice to reach out to more people, click that like button so you know YouTube can do their thing and send it out. And also you know, you already can comment. You know, that's where we have a conversation. You know, that's where we talk about whatever we're about to see on this stretch of road. That's where we hold our little conversation. So do that as well, you understand? And if you're a viewer and you just stumbled upon this video and stuff, the first time you're hearing this annoying voice and the first time you're seeing this boring content, just subscribe to the channel if you like what you're seeing, no? Yeah. Alright, my name is 876 by birth, and I do driving tours around Jamaica. Alright, yeah, I take you to some places and show you what's happening in Jamaica and all the good stuff. Alright, folks, yeah, so we're currently in St. Thomas and we're making our way into Kingston. Alright, so journey with me while I make this drive, and as usual, guys, I hope you enjoy. It's a lot of dust out here though, guys. I can honestly say that to you. This parish is dusty. Yeah, trust me. They do mining and stuff out here, you know, but the road work and all of that, you know, I guess it contributes a bit to the dust and stuff too, you know. But this parish is dusty, people, dusty. There's a lot of work going on, you know, guys. A whole lot of work that's going on this stretch of road here. Like, as I say, every time I pass through this section here, is something new happening, you know. This stretch of road here, I would love if I could travel this stretch of road probably every day, and you know, share some updates with you guys. Because it's fascinating. As I say, you pass today and when you pass tomorrow is not the same thing. Yeah, once you drive past something today and tomorrow or something different you drive past. So yeah, it's good. The people working. This project has been going on for a while now though, you know. Yeah, it has been going on for a while. I'm not gonna lie to you. But you can see a difference. Further along the way, there is a couple section where they allow us to drive on the road, the newly built section. So you can see the work that's going on. Whether or not they should be moving a bit faster, drop it in the comment section and let me know what you think. You think this road should be done already? You think they need more equipment out here, more workmen out here? What do you think? Just share it, drop it in the comment section and let me know, alright? What you think, if them a move like snail pan this, or them a go at bird speed, or them a move moderate. Just let me know, alright? Yeah. But boy, I'm not gonna lie, people, I'm happy for St. Thomas residents. It's been a while since them a travel pan the road condition, yeah? Trust me. So me happy for them. Happy for them, people. Happy for them. It's a good look. If you're from St. Thomas, you're watching the video or you're hearing my voice, big up yourself, alright? Yeah, big up yourself. So, people, as a man we normally travel the country route regular, right? You see, before GPS, sorry, it's dusty out here, people. You see, before GPS was so popular in Jamaica, like before you could flick in your destination in your phone and say, yeah, bring me to this. So you used to have to travel blindly, and Jamaica was a place when I really have much signage either, you know. You would in some bush and have a clue where you're there, you know, people. May I tell you this, you know. You just have to drive with the mercy of God, you know. Yeah, man. But if you are one driver we normally drive in a country areas, people, look at this view out there. Look at the ocean. It's beautiful, ain't it? It's nice. But yeah, if you are one driver we normally drive the country road them, you know this for a fact. One time you last, you know, the only thing can save you and tell you which part you're there, you know, is a Seventh-day Adventist church. You don't know this, right? Hey, big up the Seventh-day Adventist church, them. Them always put them location on the thing. Once you see a 7-day, you know where you're there. You know where you're there. All when the place have one little name when it sound like a really so it for name, them a put it on them signage. Yeah, man. Seventh-day Adventist church, and then put underneath it Squirrel Town. Yeah, man, anything we know for, whether it's official or unofficial, we don't know, but them a put it, you know where you're there. People, look at this view, look at the ocean. People, look at this. Oh my word. You can imagine when this road is completed and you're just cruising into Kingston like this, man, with a beautiful view here. Jeez. Jamaica nice, people. The place is beautiful. It's gorgeous. Look at the oceans. Look at the ocean. Look at the waves. Yo. Yo, nah, I like it, people. It looks nice. Wonderful weather too we're experiencing right now as well. I like it, my people. I like it. Yeah, man, it's nice. Trust me, people, it's beautiful. Yeah, man, so me I tell us at the Seventh-day Adventist Church them. Oh my gosh, I savior them, man. Savior. Yeah, man, enough time I don't know when me there round one part, now one corner. And when me look, 7th-day church save my people. Look on the signage and it tell me exactly where me there. And me know. Yeah, man. So big up the 7th-day church them. Shout out to them, you know. If you want a 7th-day Adventist person and you go around them church, you know what me I talk about. Big up yourself, alright? Yeah, man. Me thank you for what you do. Because I said before the GPS thing, this was the only way for know where the people, only way. And yo, every driver can tell you this. All drivers would be tell you the same thing and say, yo, a real talk. All drivers will tell you that. Man, I can't clean. Just wash it. I even not leave boy. Yeah. Probably just wash it down this at the falls too. Yeah. Actually in the Roselle area, people, we have the waterfalls down there and down this a little bit distance, it's on the right hand side. Yeah. Maybe him just wash him car down there. People, look at the waves splashing up. Look there. Yo, this is nice. This is nice, people. This is nice, people. Look on this. The work of the Almighty. This is a never stop, a never ending thing with the ocean. Yo. Truly appreciate life, people. Trust me. Appreciate life. And as me say, you have the waterfall running down. You're gonna see it shortly. But I see a truck out there. I wonder if they're filling it up. My gosh, you're gonna block the view of the falls. Oh my word. People, I'm very sorry about this. But if you look good, if you look now, you can see it though. It's not that bad. Okay, it's not that bad. But that's it, people. That's it. That's it. Pulling up this. Guess they're selling drinking water. But look at the ocean over there on the left. My gosh. And the sun that has worked all day today about to set now. Yeah, it has worked all day today over Jamaica. And it is about to, you know, set and give us a beautiful sunset as well. Yeah, people, so we're on the coastline of Jamaica. Literally on the coastline where I drive, people. Literally. On the map, imagine we right now on the map, we're up on the coastline and drive. Yeah. Alright, people, I'm just gonna give the glass a good little wipe because trust me, the place is super dusty. Yeah, man, it's really, really dusty. So just gonna give it a good little wash. Yeah. A lot of people selling fruits, mangoes, and I guess honey as well. You know the vibe when they are Jamaica people. Once in the country area, you're bound to see them little thing you can sell. Yeah, always I can see it. Just have a little rain, Joe. I guess from these clouds, just sprinkling a little rain. Nothing to worry about. You can clearly see the sun is there in its glory. Alright, so forgive me for using this so much, but I just want to make sure that, you know, glass is clean plus the raindrop. Sometimes it's funny, you know, one raindrop will just drop exactly in front of the lens and give you that little glary look. Yeah. So this is why I do it, just to make sure that, you know, everything is good. Now, a few sections of this road, you know, you have like single lane traffic and stuff. So, for a few sections, you have to slow down and allow vehicle to come around and all of them little stuff there. And also for other sections, where, so there's like a trench in the road or something, you know, so not the two side of the road don't have a soft shoulder. So the side with the soft shoulder, those persons are expected to, you know, right, like here, that guy is expected to ride with the soft shoulders over there, because we couldn't go over anymore, you understand? So yeah, so it's just full cooperation. It's seamless right here, people. Gold and purple seamless. But yeah, it's just full cooperation that is expected out here, people. Trust me. From all road users out here. Yeah, man, we just have to cooperate with one another. Because, as I said, the road, it work on and we want to get where we are going safely and stuff. So we just have to do what we have to do, you understand? But it's a good look for St. Thomas. And the residents of St. Thomas, I'm not going to tell a lie, it's a really, really good look. Really good look. Thought I heard a truck horn, but I guess this probably was a car horn. Some of these taxis, they put in some type of horn in it, you know. So we're going down on the flat down there. We're going around. In one of my videos, I think it's a Golden Spring video. I was saying in that video that every parish have one of these turns. Some of them have more than one of them turn here. You see it? Yeah, all of them. If you can look to the left, up to the top where you see those board, that's where we're actually coming from, guys. That's where we're coming from. Now, this is one of the sections where you have single lane traffic where, you know, it's just people using their car for their understanding. Let us come over, and I guess there's what, one car behind me, so two cars. behind me. So after that, I guess these people will go ahead. So it's just, you know, all drivers cooperating while using this St. Thomas roadway here, because we all want to get to our destination safely and quick as possible. So the cooperation, people have to extend your cooperation, you know, and be courteous while driving and all them things, you know, but I will not add in and on a man, and, you know, yeah. Good job, my boy. So they're building a stone wall here. It's a good look, people. Another wash again with this glass here. Dusty out here, people. It's dusty. Look at that view, people. Oh my word. I don't know if the lens is capturing this exactly how I'm seeing it, but it's beautiful. The ocean is so nice. People, I love the water still, you know. I'm not lying. I love the water. Yeah, I love it. My Pisces, so, you know, a water sign. So I love the water, people. Yeah. The ocean, river, with a pool, any body of water. I love me, even love drink water. Yeah, I like it. So you hear me go crazy about things like those. Alright? Yeah. Bear with me, bear with me, bear with me. So as I said, we're chasing the sunset. See if we can get into Kingston before it gets dark. Can only imagine when this road is completed, guys. It's a nice drive, you know. It's a nice drive. People who just drive out come to St. Thomas just for the drive when this road is done. Trust me. When you're driving on a stretch like this, you know, and if you have a wonderful sunset, yeah, man. Because here we make it nice, and you have some of them sections here in Portland too, you know. You're on the hill or on a cliff and you're looking over at the beach and or the sea, the ocean, whatever you want to call it. It's beautiful, man. Very beautiful. Yeah. So just in case you're just joining this video, like you're just hearing my voice or you're just seeing this video, my name is 876 by birth. I do driving tours around Jamaica, and I don't like those music when they're playing and I'm recording because they give me copyright claim. But anyways, yeah, I'm 876 by birth and I do driving tours around Jamaica. If you you know, enjoy hearing my annoying voice and enjoy seeing the boring content that I bring to you, then go ahead and subscribe if you have not yet subscribed. If you're a subscriber, then continue to watch the videos, alright? Continue to hit that like button, continue to comment, alright? And I just want to shout out all of my subscribers them. Hey, trust me, I just want to shout out all of my subscribers them. I have some subscribers where I have some day one subscriber, you know. Hey, I have some day one subscriber from me. I post my video and I get all under 20 views. Me have some subscriber from them time they comment. Yeah, me I tell you no. You understand? Them people, they are real people, real supporters. Yeah, man, real supporters them man. Them, you know them rate you. Yeah. Them alone a view one and watch a video them. So I have to shout them out and big them up, you know? Yeah? Honestly, I have to shout them out and big them up, people. Nah, I'm telling you no lie. So big up on yourself. If you know I wanna me day one them. And if you just start, so if you just subscribe to the channel now, me rate you same way. You get me? Yeah, me rate you same way. I'm grateful for your support. I appreciate you, and I don't just mouth talk, a real talk. You understand? Yeah. Appreciate you, man. Glad to see you there, you know, and you support the journey. We have amazing contents to come, people. Amazing. There's something in the pipeline. We just wait for some things from overseas. Once them drop, we're not gonna see it. And not for ask, we're not gonna just see the channel and see what go on and say, yo, you get me? So yeah, man, stick and stay. Stick and stay, my people. Yeah? And we don't know YouTube work, as my love to say. We don't know what we have to do. If you continue to hear me talk and I bring the video, then make them pop up on the timeline. We don't know what to do already, right? So just do the right thing when it comes to the YouTube. You know YouTube work already. You don't do it for all of your favorite video them. So just follow suit over yourself, man. Yeah. Alright, why am I going so? Trust me. I wonder if you reach a Kingston. People, sometimes some drive them make no sense, you know. May I tell you no straight up. Sometimes some drive them make no sense, people. Honestly. Because where all of that him are going so far? But pick up himself still. I guess work basically end for today, so all of the road work of them are built. Well, look like them people are still at it. Maybe they're not ending until maybe 6:30. Maybe for them hours different, you know. So pick them up still. I'm dep on it. So we're here chasing the sunset. Yeah, people, we chase it. We chasing it. Why, when St. Thomas Road fix still, we can't talk to them, you know, because a whole heap of land out here, I know them are going to have a whole heap of investment to go on apartments and, you know. If you tell me maybe a couple call centers, because call centers seem to take over Jamaica right now, so maybe we're going to have a couple call centers out here. You see people now travel to St. Thomas for work and come back in a Kingston. Yo, or St. Catherine. Because like a whole heap of people travel outside of St. Thomas, come to Kingston and, you know, probably a little bit further for work and all them things there. People probably even travel go straight to all Ochi from St. Thomas for work and stuff. So me I say, because see when St. Thomas develop now, you find say more people are travel. You could have all them JUTC bus are run out here. Because for tell you the truth, St. Thomas not have much of them bad curvy there, you know. Like certain places, you know. You understand? Even going down Ochi you have whole heap of curvy. You understand? St. Thomas don't really have none of that. And if them have no corner, one good size corner, it wide enough bus can take it, because the truck them already a drive out here. So, who for tell? May I tell you, who for tell? In the future, you know have some things like that. Hey, St. Thomas, pick up yourself here, man. It's a good look. It's a well-deserved look too. No lie. So we're in the vicinity of Yalaspan right now, people. Yeah, that's where we at. Boy, we'd have shot them two truck a while ago. And the people them where did they behind it, them not come around yet. They not come around, you know. Maybe them soon come around now because, you know, as you can see, when they have them wide space or them wide gap here, them are gonna shoot. When I say shoot, mean overtake and come around. Yeah, people, may have a rear, the dash cam actually have a rear cam, but I can view behind me too as well. Thinking about, you know, bringing it along with one of them drive here, but the thing is, it's limited to 1080p. It's still HD, but it's limited to 1080, the resolution, 1080p. For all of my editor them and content creator them know exactly what I talk. I mean, but a lot of videos on YouTube is actually 1080p, you know. There's a lot of them too is higher than that, to tell you the truth. A lot of them are 4K. But 1080p videos, they are not really bad, you know. They're good, to tell you the truth. Them good. But I like for, you know, give you guys the highest quality available. I like to push it out to you guys. Yeah, because YouTube have the 4K. I think them have two things they are the 4K. They have one that's about 14 something another, and they have one that's 21 something another. Yeah. So right now I'm currently going to the highest one there is. So just in case you're watching all this video and it's not that clear or it's not that clean, trust me, your internet connection are, yeah. Or go in your settings for YouTube and select the highest resolution that's available to you. Alright? See if it's 4K. Alright, my people. Yeah, we're going down in a hole. Can see the dust out here peeping through the sun rays. Or the sun ray peeping through the dust. Yo, it's dusty out here, guys. It's dusty. Real dusty. Alright. And if we could have survived living in the dust here, while the road work here go on, people. I don't know. This person in front of me is playing with it, you know, because they might drive a big van like this. Come on, you need to make use of the rear when you have it, because sometimes vehicle come down by you. You have to go on in a rut. So you need to take it on. You need to take it on, man. But them are itch. Is a male or a female? Them are itch. Frontier, big van, can't manage the road, man. Come on, driver, man. Pep it up, man. Pep it up, my driver. Pep up your step. Can't have them big vehicle here and play with the road, brother, man. So we just got through Yalas, people. You know, this is the section where you stop and you get your jerk this and your jerk that. Yeah, all of your jerk, jerk. and your soup and you know what the little thing them already. Yeah. Yalas. Alright. Them have all fried breadfruit and them thing they out there. Yeah man. Whole heap of things people. Whole heap of things. Dusty people, it's dusty. You can see the dust. I don't know if the lens is picking it up, but I can see it. So maybe when we see that truck back in Roselle, maybe they were actually fooling it to come and wet the road right here. Not necessarily must be drinking water. But that Roselle water still, I mean spring water, it's just that you don't know if, you know, we're further up, you don't know what's taking place still. But a spring water at the end of the day, so if them can verify, say, it clean and thing, it's not contaminated, can catch it and sell it, of course too. But thinking about it now, maybe the truck they will see it, or one of them truck they will do the sprinkling, wetting at the floor, the wetting at the road. Yeah, probably. Alright, so we have our next little delay right now, people. As I say, you know the road set up, sometime one side have a stop if you allow the next side to come through, because you know the single lane traffic and thing. So yeah, just so you go. You need to travel upon them road that we are fixed, you know. Experience a little delay here and there, but it's all good. Pretty sure we'll be on our way shortly again. Another set of dust. Had to wind up my window, people. Like, this trailer is bringing a whole heap of dust with it. Trust me. And you see, when I notice, you know, when I look on the videos that I do out here in St. Thomas versus videos other places, you can see the difference. These videos have like a little dullish look. And because of the dust. Because of the dust, my people. Yeah. Because of the dust. Wow. Look at this. So this is the delay you would experience while driving along this road, people. Yeah. And I guess it would be more depending on the time of day. So persons probably coming home from Kingston, coming into the parish. You know, it's more vehicles, so you know you have more pile up of traffic versus me now that's going the other direction. It's kind of a little bit less. But you just, once traveling on this section of the road, people, on this St. Thomas Road here, you have to, you know, be mindful that you will experience a little bit of delay. Alright, my people. Alright, we just hope we're not getting a copyright claim, cause it's music, man. Chasing the sunset, people. We're chasing the sunset. Lot of dust, guys. Trust me, a lot. Alright, so we're now on this little new section here that they've allowed us to drive on. So this actually gives you a feel of the highway, you know. I'm assuming it's gonna be 2 lanes, so this will be the lane going into the side that's going into St. Thomas. But for right now, you know, they just allow us to drive on it. So yeah, highway looks beautiful, guys. It's not yet completed. It looks good. Drop a comment, let me know what your thought is about it. Let me know what you're thinking about it. But it looks good so far. It looks good to me. Alright guys, we're still chasing the sunset, you know. But sun is behind those hills and it was cloudy at one point, so that's why certain sections seem darker than some, but it should be light out the same way. Yeah. Because when I'm in Kingston, it doesn't get dark until after 7. And it's about 6:30 right now. So yeah, but it's because we're in the hills basically, you know. That's why it seems so dark. There's a lot of dust around this side here, guys. A lot of dust. That's my water bottle you just heard. Making that sound. Yeah. dusty. And St. Thomas is a place that have a lot of mining takes place in St. Thomas. They have a lot of quarries, you know. Yeah, so you can only imagine, people. It's like a blanket of dust over the parish. Guys, if you have been with me from the beginning of the journey, ensure that you already click the like button, please, and also ensure that you subscribe to the channel. Alright, if you're a new viewer, alright, ensure say you subscribe to the channel. Even if you view my content regular, ensure say you subscribe. Just double check. Go on the section that says channel and make sure say you are subscribed. Alright? Because you might have viewed the videos them regular, you might see them on your timeline, but somehow you're not a subscriber. You know, but because you always watch YouTube, just keep on giving it to you. But just ensure that you're a subscriber, okay? Yeah. Because if you've been with me on this journey up until this point, you're definitely one of them loyal supporters. So just make sure say your contribution is actually worthwhile by you being a subscriber. Alright? I just want to get out this dusty area though, people. Like, trust me, windows are though. Like, I can feel dirt from my skin, people. I can feel the dirt from my skin. But this has been a pretty smooth drive so far though, I'm not gonna lie. From where we started at the roundabout in Morant Bay. Yeah, I mean that one delay that we met in not too long ago. Separate and apart from that, it's been a pretty smooth drive. Let's see if I can get a little bit more. Trust me, I've been wiping these glass from how long? The windscreen was about to be empty, trust me. And a while ago it looked like it just run empty a while ago too. Yeah. Look at this section here. So I guess that was a little shortcut that they took. Yeah. I was thinking about it too, you know. Honestly, I was. But because you don't know at the end of it if they block it off or how it, you know, how it's set up. Yeah. Come on, guys. Move it, move it, move it. We're chasing the sunset here. bringing a lot of dust with it. A lot of dust. Look at this. Wow. Whole lot of dust, guys. A whole lot of dust. Wow. See? Thinking about that too. Because these guys are playing, man. These guys are playing with this stretch here. I was thinking about doing the same thing. Come on, man. We need to reach into Kingston before it's dark, people. These two guys are playing with the street. Had to pass them. Look at this dust, people. Wow. Alright. Look like we are reached somewhere now. I don't know. Think we can get to Harborview roundabout before it gets dark? What do you think, people? What do you think? Wow, you see this section just have a darkness because we're behind the hill. And then remember that we're out in the east and this is the first part that the sun rises, so automatically it's gonna be the first part that gets dark, yeah? Yep. people, we're trying to get to Harbour View, people, before it actually gets, you know, dark. We're trying. I don't know. Honestly, we don't know if it's gonna work. We're trying. As I said, for the most part, it's been a pretty smooth drive. We're actually in Bull Bay right now, people. Yeah, we're in Bull Bay. People, we're cutting it close. Trust me, we're cutting it really close. Yep. I mean, maybe even somebody tell me say it's dark now on a night. But just look at the sky. Look at the sky. If you want to know, look at the sky. The sky will tell you. Alright? And I ain't seen no stars as yet. very far away. We're pretty close. Pretty close. So I would say that we pretty much made it. Yeah, I would say that we pretty much made it. Look at this madman. My word, man. My word. Donald Quarry High School, I'm left. A little ways across, so you probably didn't see it. Alright, my people. Thank you so much for journeying with me, alright? I would say that we've chased the sunset and I don't think it left us that much. Like, we've made it to the Harborview roundabout before pitch black. So my beautiful people, I appreciate you guys. This has been a wonderful journey. And I appreciate you guys a lot. Alright?
Hey guys, if you've made it this far in the video, I just want to say thank you for watching and I really appreciate you, okay? By the way, before you go, leave a comment in the comment section. If it's even to say hi or hello, no need to be shy, alright? Talk to me in the comment section, guys. I will respond to you, alright? And until our next video, stay safe.